This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. Thanks for checking out our adorable succulent planter cake. This sweet design is great for birthdays, showers, and makes a great decorative finish for any event. This cake is wonderful for practicing your piping skills, as we use a large decorated sugar cookie to make a big cactus detail, and piped buttercream for the smaller succulents. This design is easy to customize by changing the color of your succulents and their arrangement, making it a versatile one that you can use over and over again for a variety of occasions. Follow along with the step-by-step videos to learn it all, from filling and frosting your cake, to making your colors, piping your succulents, and making a cookie cactus topper. Placing all your finishing details and even making some cute cookie cactus favors. This class can be bought as a standalone lesson, or you can get it as part of your yearly membership, plus so much more while saving a bunch. For more information about this course or signing up for yearly membership, go to www.cakedecoratingSchool.com. Hey everyone, we wanted to tell you a little bit about what paid membership to our school includes. So you'll get 12 themed project classes, one that drops each month. You could buy them separately, but you'll save a bunch by going with the yearly membership. We also do a bunch of Instagram live classes that we record and post to the platform for our paid students so that they can watch at their convenience or rewatch anytime. We like to do a lot of little companion projects for our themed classes and also some seasonal content along with some simple techniques for our lives just to help bolster your basic decorating skills. We also have what we call our foundation vault videos that include basic recipes you'll need to decorate with and also some techniques and just great foundations of cake decorating. We also have some plans to include some bonus material that will be accessible for our yearly students only. So we hope you'll check it out, we hope you'll join us, and we hope you'll have lots of fun decorating.